Good morning, beautiful people. Welcome back to the garden. I just planted some sunflowers this morning. I went over there, I planted a lot of sunflowers. But the point of this video today is to showing you guys a beautiful rose I just find in the garden. It is so dry, guys. I have to put the sprinkler on and then I have to pressure wash the house. Look at those windows. But I still have, don't can't talk. No time yet to pressure wash the house, but so far, guys, I found a baby. This flowers, it smells so beautiful. Look at this. It's this one. Listen. Look at this. Come on. And the smell, guys. The smell of these flowers. Oh my sweet Jesus. I have to cut her to bring her inside. She is too beautiful. Yes, it is hot now. I don't have the garden closed on me now. I was just checking the garden. Yes, let me go in the back to see. I think I have one of my sprinkler broke in the backyard, and I think I'm gonna try to see if I can fix it. Friends, thank you so much for subscribing. You guys make it work. Thank you so much. Have a blessed day.